Hello, I'm Ashley Haken, a technology integrationist at SWWC. Today we're creating a Canva form from start to finish. These are built-in interactive forms that allow you to collect responses. Think of it as an alternative to Google Forms, but with Canva's design flexibility. Start a poll or quiz within an existing design by choosing Design, and then search Forms or Poll. Canva will automatically switch your design into form mode. Choose the type of form you would like to insert into your presentation. Here you'll see a few questions to the left, such as multiple choice, short answer, or rating scales. Click to add a question. The question will insert over top of everything on your slide. You'll be able to adjust this later. Click on the question and then choose Edit on the bar above. Adjust the question and response options here. You can also adjust colors, fonts, layouts, just like any Canva design, so your form matches your classroom or school branding. When you're ready, click Share and choose Link to send it to your students through your LMS, email, or QR code. After responses start coming in, click the Responses tab at the top. Here you can see individual answers or a summary view with charts and percentages, perfect for quickly spotting trends or misconceptions. You are also able to export responses if you want to analyze them further or keep a record. Canva forms are a simple, visual way to gather feedback on student thinking without leaving Canva. Try using one for an exit ticket, reflection, or quick check for understanding. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video in our Canva series.